Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to play races in GTA 5 Online. Alright, let's begin. In GTA 5 Online, races are a great way to earn cash and RP while enjoying different game modes. To start a race, first open the pause menu. From there, go to Online, then select Jobs and choose Play Job. Now you will see multiple options including Rockstar Created, Rockstar Verified, and Community Races. Select any category you like and choose a race. You will find different race types such as stunt races, land races, air races, and more. Once you enter the race lobby, you can customize settings like the number of laps, vehicle type, and weather. After that, you can invite your friends or use auto-invite to add other players. When everything is ready, start the race and enjoy earning rewards. So that's basically how you can play races in GTA 5 Online. And that's it for this video. Thanks!